So it's gong time. But boy, you know, we've been spending the last 3 or 4 days getting all these collection boxes. So when you get your ballot, there's often one right outside your door. There you are. Look at that, huh? That's the name of the video. Vote mail is easy. Okay? And postal delivery people are essential workers. Thank you very much for doing all your work. And here's the gongs to you. Voting by mail is easy. We've been doing it a long time here. Yep. Take this to the next house. Make it easy for them.